Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is a dynamic test of a crane we just set up using a step ladder. This is a Gorilla ladder, or one of those 22-foot ladders that you can buy. And what we do is we have it set up in a configuration that's close to a wall. We extended a 2x6 out the top. We hung a hoist off of that. And right now we're hanging 75 pounds of weight off, and that's replicating a television 75, 85 inch class. Over here we have 50 pounds of counterweight hanging off the back of the ladder. It's more than enough to hold this setup. We also ran a turnbuckle from this point in the ladder up to the board, and we're pulling down on the board. We do have some compression on the ladder rung up top. We have a little bit of compression below the ladder and the ladder rung on the other side, and we've since mitigated that with the turnbuckle. But the whole idea is just replicating a small crane. I've got a Sony Bravia 2 75-inch class television to hang on a full mount in a second floor condo with these beautiful marble floors. So I'm going to use plywood here to protect the floor. I'm also going to use blankets underneath the weights here. Obviously these weights won't be here. This is just a dynamic test right now. The weights are about 1 inch off the ground. I pulled everything up and it all works fine. So that is a Harrington 1/4 pound chain fall hoist on top of the boom there. You'll have to excuse our garage hoist up top. But this is just giving a rough idea of some of the things you can do. So I have to do the job Thursday morning. So I wanted to test this out this afternoon, get the bugs out of it, take a couple pictures so I can assemble this very quickly and get it done. We'll climb the ladder and you can see what I did up top here. This is just a simple couple of angle brackets, some Simpson angle brackets, which are spaced out enough so that we can have room to move the boom in and out of the ladder rungs. Obviously, ladders aren't designed for this sort of activity, but to do it once in a while, it's not a big deal. According to the manual, the TV weighs about 65 pounds. And I've got this thing set up to do at least 100. So my wife and I worked the bugs out of it and feel very confident that Thursday's lift will be really simple. I'm getting to the point where I don't lift big televisions anymore. I just don't have the shoulder power for it. So I come up with ideas like this to make it easy. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys and see if you might learn something from it. And if you have any improvements, by all means, let us know. The lift only has to start at the 40-inch mark, but I just want to make sure I can do it safely with no hassles. So anyway, probably don't want to share this with the Gorilla Ladder Company, right? Thanks for watching.